Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the wall, feel for soft spots and tap to find hidden rust. Once marked, remove trim and any interior liner so you can work from both sides. This exposes fasteners and edges. Make sure to cut away rotten wood or insulation and sand around the perimeter to bare metal or solid substrate. You need the surface clean for adhesion and mechanical fastening. Keep screws and replacement panels ready. You'll move directly into patching next. You now cut and shape the patch to overlap the damaged area about 1/2 inch for a solid bite. Once fitted, clamp and drill pilot holes so screws or rivets align. Fasten every 6 to 8 inches to distribute load. Apply seam sealer between surfaces before final fastening to prevent moisture. If the substrate is weak, add a backing plate or treated blocking behind the patch for structural support. Let adhesives cure, then sand and prepare for finishing coats. You finish by priming bare metal and painting with an exterior enamel or marine-grade product to resist weathering. Once dry, reinstall trim and interior panels and inspect seals. Run a water test if possible. If you discover leaks, locate the seam and reapply sealant, then tighten fasteners. If you hear flexing or rattles, that indicates insufficient backing, so remove the patch and add a larger plate. Remember, addressing movement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.